Friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add people in Google Docs. So as you can see here guys, I have a Google Docs document, and instead of writing out the name here or simply write out the email address, I don't have to do that. So I'm going to show you the smart way how to do it. So what you want to do, find wherever you want to add the name, and you simply want to go ahead and click and insert from the menu option here. Then go down to Smart Chips, then go down to, then hover over that and go to People. Select that, you'll have a bunch of people appear here, and it's normally useful especially when you want to share documents with someone. So let's say I'm going to choose, for example, myself here. So I'm going to go ahead and select the email right here, and you will see that it adds the name for me. Now this is not only the name, it's also more details about this person. So if I hover over my name, you will see that if I even click on that, it shows me information about my email address. It shows me information that I can send email directly to this person. I can even go ahead and even start like invite this person to uh, a meeting, or even add some or schedule an event or whatever it is. I can even send message. If I also want, I can go ahead and open and view more details about this. So if I click on that, you see that it opens up more details about this person. And that's it guys, this is the new way, this is the smart way and the best way how to work with Google Docs document by adding people to it. So if you find value here, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below if you have any question, and thank you guys for watching.